This is a supplementary circuit for your squat day. So if you've just done a squat workout and you want a really efficient 16-minute supplementary circuit that's going to train your abs, your hamstrings, and knee stabilization, then this is for you.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
So you've just finished your squat workout. We need to make sure that we also train our hamstrings, and we also want to train some knee stabilization. And well, we've got to train our abs some day, so we like to do it on our leg day as well. Now this is a 16-minute follow-along workout. We're going to do 4 rounds, where each round we do 4 exercises. So we're going to do our hamstring curl, then we're going to do the bent knee hollow body hold, then we're going to do a step up on the left side and then a step up on the right side. This is a very, very effective way to add volume to your lower body training in most of the lifts that people just neglect and they don't like to do. So this is going to really make sure that you create a structurally balanced body to balance all that heavy lifting that you're doing in your squat workout. If you like our content and want expert coaching, I'd love to invite you inside our free Facebook coaching community, where the whole Unity team and myself hang out, go live, and drop feedback to keep you progressing. Just search UMS Movement Mastermind in Facey, hit join, and I'll even give you access to my incredible 20-minute flexibility routine as a welcome gift. Okay, round 1 has begun. We are on our step up on the non-dominant side. You always start on the non-dominant side. And of course, with the step up, this is a 1-0-1-0 tempo. So there's no slow eccentric, there's no pause at the top or bottom. I'm just standing up and then back down again. And you can see that I'm really working on making sure that I keep that knee driving outwards, not ever putting weight on the non-working leg. So I'm keeping those toes up off the ground, and I'm doing all the work on the primary leg. Okay, that's the end of round 1. That's the end of the first side. So we always like to lift as much weight as possible here. Now you have to work that out. So you don't have to lift weight. You can start with no weight. For somebody, they can't lift any weight and they even need to support their weight by holding onto something. Okay, let's go. Second station has begun. So now we're doing our dominant side. So this should be your stronger side. You may not know this yet. You may not have worked out which is the stronger side and which is the weaker side, but you'll figure it out pretty quickly. Now, this workout, for the step-ups, we're doing 25 reps per set. So 25 reps on each side for these side step-ups. So for a lot of you, that's going to be really hard. A lot of you won't be able to lift any weight when you do this. You're just going to need to do your body weight. And the steps should be set up somewhere between ankle height and mid-shin height. Okay, that's the end of the round. We're in the rest period. We've got 20 seconds. So we're going down, laying on the ground. As I said on Monday's workout, I like to get down and get in position as soon as possible. So I'm ready to go on my supine hamstring curl with a fit ball. My feet are on the ball. We've got 5 seconds left in the rest period. And here we go. So when we do this one, I'm doing 9 reps per set here. Anywhere from 7 to 9 reps is fine. But as long as you're really intentional with those end ranges, you want to squeeze the feet right into the bum and then go out for 3 seconds and straighten your legs all the way so you really feel those hamstrings working. It's a great exercise, this one. And we've got 10 seconds left in the set. I've finished my set, but there's a little bit more time for you if you haven't gotten your 9 reps yet. And now we're in the rest period. So our next exercise is our bent knee hollow body hold. So you can just stay on your back. You don't need to get up. Just be ready to go. Take the rest. Enjoy it. We're in the last 5 seconds of the rest period. Let's get ready. And off we go. Chin up, knees together, feet together, lifting the feet a few inches off the ground, hands a few inches off the ground. Really working on keeping those abs engaged and the lower back pushed firmly into the ground. This is a very challenging position, actually. when you do your 4 rounds of this, towards the 4th round, you can really start to struggle. Now, we've been going for over 20 seconds now. If you're losing your technique, you want to stop. You do not do 40 seconds at any cost. You only do what you can do with correct technique. So if your lower back's coming off the ground, if you can't hold the position properly, you need to stop. And you want to record how long you got to hold it for. Okay, that's it. That's 40 seconds. And then you try and, beat it each week. You try and go a little bit more. Okay, we're about to start round 2 now. So we're getting ready for the step-ups again. 10 seconds left in the rest period. Starting on the non-dominant leg, of course. Grabbing the weights. Here we go. And the round has begun. We're off. 25 reps. And that's 10 reps for me. What are you up to? Really focusing on keeping the alignment of your body really nice, doing the work with the right knee, or with the non-dominant leg. Only the other leg, it's only just the foot hitting the ground, the heel hitting the ground. We're not stepping off the toes. Okay, that's the end of the round. We're in the rest period now. All right, last 6 seconds in the rest period. Grabbing the weights, get ready, go. Looking good, team. Keep pushing that knee out over the toes like you can see me doing in this video here. This is a really good angle to see how my knee is tracking over the toes. Halfway through the round. Last 15 seconds, hopefully you've got less than 10 reps to go. Remember, we want to get 25 repetitions done on each set for this exercise. Such a good exercise for knee strength and stabilization. Okay, we're in the rest period, getting ready for the hamstring curl. Laying down on your back, getting in position. All right, last 8 seconds before the round starts. Feet up on the ball, palms facing up. Here we go, and the round's begun. Let's do it. Be intentional with those end ranges, everybody. Let's get those hamstrings working, hamstrings and glutes working. Okay, remember that's the end for me, but you want to make sure you get between 7 and 9 repetitions. A few more seconds left in this round before we're officially in the rest period. Okay, the rest period has begun. 20 seconds rest, just relax. Get ready for this bent knee, hollow body hold. Last 10 seconds of the rest. Get ready, feet together. Knees together, and begin. Chin towards the chest, knees together, feet together, lifting those shoulders up, keeping the abs really tight, lower back pushed firmly into the ground. This is a very hard position to hold. Work for it. Make it happen, everybody. Okay, we're past the halfway mark now. Remember that if you can't hold the technique correctly anymore, you need to stop and rest. Last 5 seconds. Let's go. Keep working. Rest. Well done, team. We are halfway through the workout. We're getting there. Keep your intention. Keep your focus in the workout. Don't let any distractions slow you down. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, we're into round 3, tribe. Let's keep it going. Come on. Good quality reps. Last 8 seconds. Let's get up to 25 reps. All right, nice work. Rest period has begun. Doing really well, everybody. Keeping up with these follow-along workouts is challenging, but it's so rewarding. Just press play, do the workout, get it done, and you watch the results come over time. Okay, here we go. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the co-founders of Unity Gym and the Unified Movement System, or UMS. Right now, you're here watching our free content on YouTube. And since you've already come this far, I can tell you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit. But if you're ready to level up, our free Facebook coaching group is exactly what's going to help you do just that. Not only can you ask questions and post videos for feedback from us, I'll also give you one of my most popular and effective programs, the 20-minute flexibility routine, as a gift for joining our tribe. See, despite our combined 50 years of training at an elite level, despite how much quality content we give away on YouTube, at some point, your progression will come to a grinding halt due to limiting factors that are unique to you alone. Honestly, it's not your fault. You haven't done anything wrong. But our tribe is a testament that having an expert look at what you're doing and help you to break through plateaus is simply game-changing. So whether you want to get more flexible, stronger, fitter, or learn some awesome calisthenics moves, or even just perfect your squat technique, we can help you get there faster and safer. Oh, and before you go, if you haven't already, smash those like buttons and subscribe buttons. It goes a really long way to supporting our channel and helps us keep putting out the content we do. And if you prefer to listen, search any podcast platform for Sound of Movement to listen to our amazing interviews with coaches and experts in their field. Well, that's it. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the UMS Movement Mastermind Facebook group. See you soon.